Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay guys, now in this class, okay, I'll be doing on the physics subject. Okay, that is the subtopic is about, the chapter name is reflection and refraction of light. Okay, this is the class 10, that is the chapter 1. Now about the what is the meaning of light. Okay, that one you need to do yourself. Okay, it's easy to understand. Okay, now let's look directly into the law of reflection. Okay, there are two laws of reflection. That is the first law, which says that, okay, angle of incident is always equal to angle of reflection. Okay, this is the first law of reflection. Okay, and the second law of the reflection says that, okay, the point of incidence, or at the point of incidence, okay, that is the incident ray, okay, the reflected ray and the normal, okay, they all lie in the same plane. Okay, that one, it will take time if I explain to you. Okay, then that one is just for your information to know. Okay, now let's move directly to the image. Okay, now many of you have seen a mirror. Okay, now before you dress up, okay, you used to stand in front of the mirror to check yourself. Okay, that image you see, okay, in the mirror is just a reflection of light source from your body in all different direction. Okay, now according to a book, okay, now what is an image? Okay, when the ray of light, okay, diverge from a point, okay, that is from this point, okay, diverge like this. Okay, what happened when it struck into the mirror? Okay, you see your own self. Suppose now this is you. Okay, it means that the light rays from your body, okay, it will incident, okay, into the mirror. After that, it will reflect back. So what that reflection you see is an image of yourself. Okay, either actually meet at some point or other point, or appear to meet at some other point, then that point is called image of an object. Okay, now this image is always formed by the combination, or by the meeting of all the different rays that comes from an object. Okay, now image can be of two types, that is virtual and real image. Now what is virtual image? Okay, by the word itself, virtual, it means duplicate. Okay, it means that it is not real. Okay, it is not real, it is just an imagination. Now according to the book definition, okay, when the ray of light diverge from a point, okay, after reflection or refraction, it appears to diverge from another point. It means that a ray of light, okay, diverge, okay, from one point. After that, it refract. Okay, this is refraction. Okay, and then after, it seems that if you join this line together, it seems that this is coming from a single point. Okay, that is the meaning of virtual image. And remember that, okay, this virtual image is always erect, and what happened, it is laterally, okay, inverted, inverted. It means that the left always turn towards the right side, or the right side always turn towards the left side. Okay, now let's see, okay, what we have, what I can explain to you. Okay, now suppose, okay, this is an orange. Okay, this is an orange. Now this is your eyes. I'm bad at drawing. Okay, don't mind with my drawing. Okay, now when you look, there is no mirror in between your eyes and your orange. Okay, all the light source will diverge. That means it comes from a one point, that is from this orange. Okay, there are many thousands of light rays, but let's take only 4. Okay, now these light rays, okay, when they diverge from a single point, okay, they will incident into your eyes. Okay, they will go into your eyes, and then your eyes will say that, okay, this is an orange. Okay, it is orange in color. Okay, because what, there is, you see directly, okay, there is no mirror in between the orange and the eyeball. Okay, now next, suppose now, okay, here there is a book. Okay, this is a mirror. Why I draw this one like hair-like structure? This is nothing but in physics, okay, this shows that it is a polished mirror. Okay, and this is a plain mirror, it is not curved. Okay, now suppose now there is a book in front of the mirror. Okay, suppose now thousands of light rays, okay, will struck into this book. Okay, it will struck. See, this is a light source. Okay, but in order to not get confused, okay, let's take only two light source. Let's say from this point, okay, after incident, okay, after it hit this book, okay, then the book again will reflect the light source into the mirror. Okay, then again another ray of light, that is the red. Okay, the red rays, we can see it will hit the mirror, then after that it will reflect back into your eyes. Okay, and the same thing with this one also. See, after hitting the mirror, this is called the incident ray. Okay, after it incident, what happened, it reflect back. Okay, now the angle of this first incident ray is small, okay, and the angle of this second incident ray is larger. That's why the reflected angle also, it is larger. Why? Because I've already mentioned you that angle of incident ray is equal to the angle of reflected ray if you draw a normal between these 2 points. Okay, then all these two these two light rays, okay, they are not coming from a single point. Okay, that is like we see here between the orange and the eyeball, because here there is no mirror, but in this case, okay, we see there is a mirror in between your eyes and the book. Okay, now so light rays from here, it get reflected and then it hit your eyeball, then you see the book. Now what happened next? Now if you join this book, the light rays from the book, okay, if you join, why I draw like this dot dot, because this is virtual, or I mean it is just an imagination. Okay, if you join these two dots, if you join these two lines, okay, these are imaginary line. Okay, now it seems as if that this book is from the mirror. That means this book is like it is coming from behind the mirror. Okay, but actually this is just an imagination, because the book is actually not there. Okay, because this is only an imagination. Remember, I told you that when there is an orange, okay, and then there is your eyeball. Okay, the light source always should be diverged from a single point so that you can see the light rays. Okay, but in this case it is not like that, you see. Okay, it comes from here. Okay, but after you look into the mirror, you see that there is a book. So what you need to do is that, okay, you just need to draw an imaginary line. Okay, this shows that the book is not there, but actually the image, okay, that you see in your eyes, okay, it look as if the book is in the mirror, but actually the book is in front of the mirror. Okay, but here if you draw this imaginary line, okay, it shows that the book is in the mirror. Okay, this is the meaning of virtual image. Okay, now the virtual image is erect, okay, and then laterally inverted. You see this one? Okay, let's say like rays from the bee. Okay, I've written this is a book. Okay, it struck the mirror and then it reflected back to your eyes. It means now look here. Okay, this bee has changed its position. Okay, the way the curve, you see now in the left hand side, okay, the bee is facing toward the right hand side, but in the mirror it is towards your left hand side. Okay, O will not change, and the K also. Here it is facing towards the right hand side, but inside the mirror it is towards the left hand side. You see this one? This is called lateral inversion. Okay, it means that where the right will change towards the left and the left it will change towards the right. So this book that it is formed behind the mirror, okay, this is nothing but just a virtual image. So that is the meaning of virtual image. Now, okay, if you drive a car or by chance if you travel to Shillong or whatever, okay, now if you sit in a car, okay, if you look through this side view mirror, okay, what you see is that a vehicle is coming from behind your car, okay, and when you look into the mirror you see that this car is in your mirror. Okay, actually that car is not in your mirror. Okay, it appears to be in your mirror. Okay, but actually that car is behind from your vehicle. But why does it look like that car is in your mirror? It is because due to this virtual image formation. Okay, now if you draw this ray of light that are coming, okay, just an imagination, okay, it look as if the car is in your mirror. That's why it is not virtual, or it is not real. Okay, it is a virtual image. That is the best examples that I could give you. Okay guys, welcome the next day of our online tutorial class. Thank you.